Are you interested in graphic design and on the hunt for the best software tools? We've curated the top 20 graphic design software tools of 2024. Stay tuned as we dive into each of these tools. Let's start our exploration of the top tools that can boost your creativity and productivity. In the vast realm of graphic design software, 20 standout tools have emerged in 2024, each with its unique charm. From user-friendly interfaces to advanced functionalities, these tools cater to different skill levels and needs. We'll have a quick run-through. Each tool gets its 3 seconds of fame. Imagine a world where your creative desires meet the right software tool, where your ideas gain life and vibrancy. That's the world these tools can help you create. From creating compelling visuals and designing interactive prototypes to refining images to perfection, these tools cover a spectrum of graphic design capabilities. Whether you're a beginner just dipping your toes into the world of design, or a seasoned professional seeking to streamline your workflow, there's a tool out here for you. That wraps up our list of the top 20 graphic design software tools of 2024. We hope you found this list helpful in your quest for the perfect graphic design software. Remember, the right tool can amplify your creativity. For more such content, make sure to visit justaitrends.com. Stay creative.